Davis, and I was ranked as the second best performing Forex trader in the world by the Barclays Currency Traders Index between 2008 and 2013. Now this, of course, as you can see, is the risk events video. We've got the charts up in the calendar here, and what we're going to do is we're going to zoom in, we're going to go to that calendar, we're going to zoom into the charts, and I'm going to show you my trading plan for next week, okay? So we're going to look at the news events that I'm thinking are going to move the markets, and we're also going to look at the currency pairs that are going to hopefully be the most tradable based on those news events. So I'll take you through my plan. I'll take you through each scenario that we're expecting, which direction we're expecting the currency pairs to go, and hopefully you guys will be fully prepared to the point where hopefully you can make some pips too. So without further ado, let's get to the calendar now, and I'll take you through my plan day by day. Looking at the calendar here, we've got lots of risk events coming out this week, but there's one that dominates everything, and that is of course NFP on the 6th, Friday the 6th of March. Now, it's not always the case that NFP is a big market moving event. A lot of the time, it's actually not. The market gets, in a big kind of fix about it, but actually half the time it's not even that important, not even that market moving. However, this one is different because NFP lately has been really, really positive. The Fed have said labour market data is one of their key criteria to deciding whether to hike or not. I believe after a sustained run of really positive NFPs, over 200,000, this could be one of the last ones to tell the Fed, yes, it is the right time to hike. So if we get a really good NFP figure, 241,000 or above, and a good average hourly earnings, 0.2% or above, and a good employment rate, 5.6% or above, or a majority of those three coming through, we could see the dollar have another leg up. Now, I also think that the dollar will be supported going into this event. So this means you can position yourself long, or I'll be positioning myself long, US dollar going into these events. Now, when I position myself into a trade, as was happened with the dollar CAD last week, if you get profit on the table, I usually take it. So even if I get in on Monday or Tuesday, and by Thursday afternoon I'm in 50 to 100 pips worth of profit, I will take that off and just stay out of that risk event. It's not worth taking the risk. So same again here. Buy the US dollar against the weaker currencies. Think yen, think euro, think Canadian dollar. Buy the US dollar going into this event through the week because I feel strongly there'll be a positive US dollar sentiment. Now, of course, the caveat to that is keep your eye on the news feed. If anything changes, if something happens to cause serious dollar weakness, of course that will happen. But as we stand, as long as nothing dramatic happens, I think we'll see some sustained dollar strength going through the week, going into Friday. And then I've got a sneaky feeling NFP and these other figures could come out quite positive, which could